The requirements of advanced analytics today are becoming more demanding as the volume and complexity of data continues to grow exponentially. The ability to bring a huge volume of information under management and make it instantly available for analysis through data warehousing has become vital. And yet, according to Gartner, nearly 70% of data warehouses experience performance-constrained issues. Most traditional data warehouse systems were not designed to meet the high demands of advanced analytics on big data. Essentially, these systems have been patched together using general-purpose database, server, and storage platforms. They're too complex and lack the specialization required to handle terabytes of growing and changing data. This complexity robs data of its true potential. We knew there had to be a better way, so we created it by inventing the concept of a data warehouse appliance, a machine completely re-engineered from the ground up to simplify advanced analytics, truly purpose-built for high-performance analytics and nothing else. This makes our appliance fast, easy to deploy, and simple to operate.
One of the amazing things that I've seen as a result of our Netezza implementation is just how open our eyes have become as a company of the opportunity that we have to use information differently. By the sheer fact of our ability to access and use this information much faster, much easier, at a much more affordable price, is changed the way we're thinking about how we can use information in delivering products and services to our members.
By bringing simplicity to advanced analytics, IBM Netezza data warehouse appliances shield you from the inherent complexities of technology. You get the freedom to focus on interacting with the data rather than struggling with the data management. Our data warehouse appliances provide the ability to finally realize the full potential of your data.